Welcome to the GetMyDNA Pharmacogenetics Test Home collection instructional video. In this video, I'll be walking through the collection process with you. Before you start the collection process, you must register your kit online. The lab cannot process your sample unless your kit has been registered online. Your kit includes a registration card on how to register your kit. To register your kit online, you can scan the QR code here on the registration card or go to getmydna.com/register. You can locate your kit registration code on the sticker label included. In your kit, you will find a Before You Collect Kit registration card, an instructional trifold, 2 cheek swabs in tubes, 2 tube identification sticker labels, 1 biohazard bag, a pre-addressed and prepaid return envelope, and the box your kit came in, which will be the box you will return your sample in, so don't throw your box away. Items that you'll need that are not included in your kit are a pen with black or blue ink, a cup or small container, and a computer, phone, or tablet to register your kit. Now you're ready to collect. To begin collection, it's recommended that you disinfect your collection space and wash your hands with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Your kit includes 2 identification sticker labels. Fill out each sticker label with your name, date of birth, and collection date with a black or blue ink pen. Please write legibly and let the ink dry before applying on the tubes. Then take your sticker labels and apply them to each tube vertically. Take 1 tube containing a cheek swab. Open the tube and remove the cheek swab with the tip of the swab facing up. Make sure the tip of the swab touches only the inside of your cheek and the collection tube. Using the bristle end of the swab, scrape the inside of one of your cheeks 20 times in a twirling motion. In a cup or container, place the swab bristle tip up and let it air dry for 15 minutes. Using the tube your swab came in, place your swab bristle side down back into the tube and securely close the cap. Using the unopened swab, repeat the process on the opposite cheek. Do not reuse the previous swab and do not swab the cheek that you just swabbed. Take both sample tubes containing your cheek swabs and place them both into the biohazard bag in the same section as the absorbent pad. Do not remove the absorbent pad. Then securely seal the biohazard bag. After you successfully collected your sample, it's time to return them to the lab. Place the biohazard bag containing your 2 cheek swabs into the box your kit came in. Place the box with your samples into a pre-addressed and prepaid return envelope found in your kit and then securely close the envelope. Then find your nearest FedEx drop-off location. To find a FedEx drop-off location, go to fedex.com/locate. It is important to return your sample as soon as possible after collection. This ensures a speedy result turnaround time. Now you can sit back and relax knowing that your sample is in good hands. Once your sample has reached the lab, you can expect your results within 5 days. Have more questions? You can go to getmydna.com/help or reach out to us at customercare@getmydna.com. Thanks!